What is plea bargaining in criminal court? Imagine standing in a courtroom where the tension is palpable. The stakes are high, and the future hangs in the balance. This is where plea bargaining comes into play, a process that can significantly alter the course of a criminal case. So, what exactly is plea bargaining? Plea bargaining is a legal agreement in criminal court where a defendant agrees to plead guilty to some or all charges. In return, the prosecutor may offer certain concessions. These can include reduced charges, the dismissal of some charges, or a recommendation for a lighter sentence. This arrangement helps both sides avoid the lengthy, costly, and uncertain nature of a full trial. Typically, plea bargaining occurs during the pretrial phase. Either the defense attorney or the prosecutor can start the negotiations. The process involves several steps. First, the terms are negotiated. Next, a written agreement is created. Finally, this agreement is presented to a judge for approval. The judge's role is to ensure that the plea is entered voluntarily and that the agreement is fair. If the judge does not accept the plea bargain, the defendant can withdraw the guilty plea and go to trial. Plea bargaining serves practical purposes in the courtroom. It reduces the number of cases that go to trial, which helps ease the workload of judges, prosecutors, and public defenders. For defendants, it can provide an opportunity for reduced sentences or lesser charges, which can be beneficial depending on the situation. There are different types of plea bargains. Charge bargaining involves pleading guilty to a lesser charge than what was originally filed. Sentence bargaining means agreeing on a specific sentence beforehand. Count bargaining allows a defendant to plead guilty to some charges while others are dropped. While plea bargaining is widely used and resolves many criminal cases, it comes with some controversy. Critics argue that it can pressure defendants, even those who may be innocent, into pleading guilty to avoid harsher penalties if they go to trial. On the other hand, supporters highlight its role in conserving judicial resources and providing certainty in case outcomes. In essence, plea bargaining is a key part of the pre-trial procedures in criminal court. It allows for case resolution through mutual agreement between the defendant and prosecutor, all subject to judicial approval. This process balances efficiency in the judicial system with the rights of the defendant and the interests of justice.